Hello, you are most welcome. I'm teacher Ivan from Wuna Educational Services. Today we are looking at the logarithms. Logarithm of a positive number is the power or index to which a number or the base is raised. Thus, if we have a power c giving us b, then it means that log of a power b equals to c. For instance, we know that 8 is the same as 2 power 3 or 2 cubed. Thus, if we apply this, that means that log of 2 power 8 equals to 3. That's what a logarithm means. However, when operating logarithms, we have laws that govern us during the operations. So let us look at the laws of logarithms. Among the laws, however, let us consider P and Q to be positive numbers. Then the laws state that if P and Q are positive numbers, then law number 1 states that the log of a power p plus log of a power q is equal to log of a power p q. And therefore, we note that when we are adding logarithms having the same bases, we just multiply the powers. For instance, e.g., if we have log of 5 2 plus log of 5 3, so the bases are the same and we are adding. Therefore, we shall multiply the powers to give us log of 5 6. That is law number 1. Let us look at law number 2. When we have log a p minus log a q, then we are having the same bases and we are subtracting the logarithms. Therefore, we shall have log a p over q. So that implies that when we are subtracting logarithms of the same bases, we divide the powers. The first one divided by the second one. E.g., we may have log of 5 6 minus log of 5 2, which will give us log of 5 6 over 2, hence giving us log of 5 3. So that is our second law. We've seen how we deal with addition of logarithms considering the same bases, how we deal with subtraction of logarithms when given the same bases. Then let us go to our third law. The third law states that if I'm given n log a power p, then this coefficient n will come and power p, so that we get log a p power n. E.g., I may have 2 log of 5 3. This gives me log of 5 3 power 2, hence giving me log of 5 9. So whenever I have a coefficient of the logarithm, it comes and power the power. Let us look at the fourth law. The fourth law states that if I have log a power the nth root of p, then this equals to 1 over n log a power p. For instance, if I have log 5 power the square root of 3, this is the same as 1 over 2, since this is a square root, so it will be 1 over 2 log 5 power 3. So that is our fourth law. Let us look at law number 5. Law number 5 states that if I have log a power a, that is when the base is the same as the power, this gives me 1. E.g., if I have log of 2 power 2, this equals to 1. Let us look at our sixth law. It states that when I have log of a to power 1, this equals to 0. E.g., I may have log of 5 power 1, this equals to 0. Still, we can have log of 10 power 1 still equals to. So that means that log of 1, irrespective of the base, however much we have the base, but if the power is 1, it is always 0, irrespective of what is the base. Since the power is 1, it will be always 0. Then our seventh law states that if I have log a power negative 1, then this equals to negative of log, because this power negative 1 will come down and we get negative of log a power a. Since log a power a is 1, it will always give us log log a power a is 1, therefore the final answer will always be -1. So those are laws of logarithms. In our second lesson, we shall look at how we apply these laws in simplifying and evaluating logarithms. Thank you. We meet there.